Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're using Mint to manage your finances, you might occasionally need to delete a transaction. Maybe it's a duplicate, an error, or just something you don't want tracked anymore. Don't worry, it's a straightforward process that only takes a few seconds. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through how to do it step by step, so you can keep your budget clean and accurate. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Mint account. Open the app or head to the website and enter your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Transactions tab. It's usually right on the main dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of all your recent activities. Now, find the transaction you want to delete. You can use the search bar at the top to quickly locate it by date, amount, or description. Once you've spotted it, click on the transaction to open its details. Look for the Options menu. It might be a three-dot icon or something similar, depending on your device. In the menu, select Delete or Remove Transaction. Mint will probably ask you to confirm this action to prevent accidental deletions. Always double-check before you proceed. Hit Confirm, and poof, it's gone from your records. One quick tip. If the transaction is linked to a category or budget, deleting it might affect your reports, so review that first. Also, if you're on mobile, the steps are almost identical, but make sure your app is up to date for the smoothest experience. There you have it. Deleting a transaction in Mint is easy and helps keep your finances in order. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more money management tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.